Okay, in this video I'm going to be doing LED backlighting for my TV. I got Flex Glow XL LED strips and I'm going to put them on the back side of my TV to provide that backlighting effect. Obviously I still got a bunch of Christmas stuff I'm trying to put away. So this LED strip is 12 feet long. It's got a 3M sticker on the back, so you just peel off the tape and stick it onto a surface. It's got this remote thing that the light plugs into, and then the white cable sticking out of that is the sensor for the remote, which doesn't work very well if I'm being honest, and it also, I don't think it's long enough, but it works in the end. It comes with a little, I think it's a 6-volt power adapter as well, just plugs in there, a little stiff. But pretty simple setup. Comes with sort of a wet one and a dry pad. The wet one is to wipe things down before you stick your LED strip on, and the dry pad is to dry it out. I just ended up using paper towel, though there's just not enough to do the whole TV. You can cut the lights. There's spots along the light strip that show you where you can cut. I don't do that. I use the whole 12 feet for the back of the TV. And I'll just turn it on before I stick it onto the TV. So it's got a whole bunch of different colors. Obviously they sell different ones. I'll put a link to an LED strip lighting in the description. And of course you don't want that strobe effect for your TV. It'd be quite distracting. So you can see I've passed the electrical cable behind the TV and through the wall. There's a little wall plate there. And I've stuck the LED light strip onto the TV. It's a little bit awkward at the corners because obviously it's a strip and it's not going to turn perfectly, but it looks fine once you push the TV back against the wall. You can't see that little awkward sort of turn at the corner of each edge of the TV. And I'll just turn this thing on. Obviously, again, you don't want that flashing if you're going to watch TV. It'd be quite distracting. And I'll show you some examples here. Here's with the TV off, sort of that's a blue backlighting. There it is with a red backlighting. And that's what it looks like with no backlight. So I put my own YouTube channel on because I don't know too much about copyright, but through the red background, the green background, and I think blue is probably my preferred background overall. And then when it's a little bit later, there it is sort of at night. It doesn't look quite as shiny in real life. I think the camera makes the wall look a little shinier than it actually is in reality. And there it is with no backlighting at all. Overall, I think the backlight does sort of look good. I think it'd be good for a movie night. It's not something I would use all the time, but I think it's a pretty cool effect, and it does draw the eye into the TV a little bit more. Anyway, thanks for checking out this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.